Padlet introduced many new features in 2024, and one I really like is an interactive map. You can generate maps, for example, what are the key cities of the world, the mega cities of the world, or a map about what are the most polluted areas of the world, or a map about what are the English speaking parts of the world, or you could do a map of just England and the beginnings of the Industrial Revolution. And the AI will produce an interactive map which will facilitate, for example, reading type of activities, discovery type activities, or even projects. They're so easy to do because the AI in Padlet is super powerful. Let me show you how it works. I'm now going to make another one. But when I click on make, notice what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to map of historical events. And I need to fill all this information in. And basically I'm going to do that and then explain to you what I've done. So I'm going to do a map about the mega cities of the world. I'm going to make that for level 12, so it's just before higher education. Students can learn about the mega cities of the world. That's the objective. The time period, well, it's now, the world. And I want an interactive map of the mega cities of the world with information about each city and its current population. And I'm doing this as a kind of reading activity, which I'm then going to turn into a kind of speaking activity where I'm going to get the students to choose one of the mega cities, find out more information about it, and then present it to the rest of the students. So I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that it's going to produce this map for me. And it looks like it's done a fantastic job. I've got various mega cities around the world, and I noticed that I can click on them and it's going to provide me with information about those mega cities. Now, it may not cover every single mega city, and I guess the way that we define a mega city may vary anyway, but it's certainly got some of the most important ones in. And you can see how easy these are to produce and the quality of them. And one thing that I really like, of course, is that to share this again would just be a question of clicking on the button here and sharing either the link or the QR code. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.